Hello. Okay, continuing to talk about Pincha Mayurasana, I showed in the practice card Ardha Pincha Mayurasana. And very often I find that the Ardha presentation can be even more challenging than the full pose. I think it highlights areas, at least for me, where I tend to cheat. So anyway, I thought that I'd use this video to show you how I come up with the distance, the measurement. This is a technique that works for me, and it's usually a pretty safe call for most people, more or less. So I thought I'd share that. Okay, to find your distance away from the wall, you're gonna sit with your buttocks right up against the wall. And what I do is I separate my legs a little bit, lean forward, and then maneuver myself really close to the wall. So almost like I'm trying to sit up the wall a bit, just so that I'm super tight in there. Okay, and then once I've done that, you just take a measurement. Where is your ankle bone? Okay, you can make a little mark on your mat with your hand, just eyeball it. But where your ankle bone is ultimately where you're gonna place your elbow. Okay, ankle bone, elbow. Okay, so I make a mark there, and then I place my elbow there. Okay, then I'm gonna use the block between my hands, and from here, I lift up into first like so, a downward facing dog type of position, and then I walk up the wall. Okay, and I do find it's easier to start high and then walk yourself down. Okay. And then pump your legs back, pump your hips back, I guess I should say. Okay, like so. And then down you come. The biggest mistake I find that people make is that they end up putting the block where their ankle bone is, and they end up being really tight, and it's really, really difficult. So ankle bone and elbow, and the block's gonna be a little bit further. Okay? Try that out, see if it works for you, and namaste. Happy practicing.